Welcome back to the Dry Fire Journal. We're continuing our series on getting objective data on the guns that I have used over the years. Full disclaimer, the gun I'm about to use is one that I own, but I've actually never drawn. I very rarely shoot it. It is a loaner gun for students, but I thought I would try it out. It is a HK VP9. I have my X300 on it so that it will fit inside of my Filster Floodlight Gen 1 holster, and it's iron-sighted. And I have no idea what's about to happen. I might love it, I might not. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna start at the 7-yard line with a bill drill. We're using Gabe White's pistol shooting solution standards at 7 yards, and we're using a reduced size target because our paper targets are blowing all over the range. So, 7 yards, I've got an 8-inch circle and a 4-inch circle, and we're gonna see what happens. Here we go, bill drill. Draw to first shot was a 156, total time was a 290, and surprise, surprise, I ran my front sight as if it were a red dot and elevated it a little bit so I could see it really well, and everything went high. I'm going to try a second attempt. Draw to first shot was a 162. Total time elapsed with a 266. All the hits were, well, a little bit left, and that's probably just me. Now we're gonna move over here and we're gonna try immediate incapacitation, which will be a fascinating test of my ability to put iron sights on a small face circle on a fairly unfamiliar gun from the holster. So here we go. Draw to first shot was a 160, total time was a 213. If you can see it, both of those hits are right above the left bolt. I don't know if you can see it from here or not, but there's two hits. They're pretty close together, but they are low. Those would have been a horrible score. Let's try it again. So
you ran out of freedom seeds.
Ran out of freedom seeds. Let me holster this clear gun. Draw to first shot was a 169. My follow-up probably would have been like a 0.3 split and just right on top of that next shot, right? Or so I like to kid myself. Let me get some more ammo and we'll try this again. All right, we're back with more ammo. So now I'm gonna try this immediate incapacitation, 2 to the face one more time. Both shots went a little bit low. If this is the face circle, they hit right here. So now I'm going to use the same targets as I know where the shots are, and I'm going to go right to failure to stop, 2 to the chest, 1 to the face. Draw to first shot was a 158. My first shot was on target, almost a center punch in that circle. My next 2 shots, by the way, total time was a 233. My next 2 shots hit the berm. I'm not even sure where they went. I don't know really what happened there. And right now I kind of want to go sit down and think that through. I'm not going to, I'm going to keep filming, but that one's really bothering me because I didn't see what I wanted to see. I'm going to try this again, 2 to the body, 1 to the face. Draw to first shot was a 183, total time elapsed with a 225. In Gabe White's class, you get a 1/4 second concealment bonus, so that would have been a 2-second flat. I'm not sure where that puts me on his, light pin, dark pin runs. All the hits are on, and I felt pretty good about that. The next drill that we're gonna do is I'm going to try to get this magazine out The next drill we're going to do requires some more ammunition. And I'm just going to do one pass at it, and that's 4 to the body, 2 to the face. He calls it the split bill. In class, you get 2 tries at each one, but I'm running low on ammo on my person, so I'm just going to do one take of this. You hush. I'm going to do one more take of this with the split bill drill. 4 to the body, 2 to the face, and let's see how this goes. Make sure I'm at 7. Tells me I just did 7 shots, and I may have. Total time was a 2:74, and my shots were all over the map. So my immediate thought about this, I'm going to move closer for the jet overhead. My immediate thought on this is I really like the way this gun presents up in my vision. I would need to learn these sights. This firearm has a blacked out rear sight and a bright green front sight, which is really unusual and new to me. I do like how the front sight presents for me. There are certain guns with which I feel like I see iron sights faster than I see red dot. And I've been a red dot shooter for years, but I'm really curious about this tension that I feel between red dot and irons, because with red dot, I control the group better. With iron sights, I feel like I get to my first shot a whole lot sooner. But hear me. I just told you that's how I feel. The data doesn't really back that up. And that's why this is so important to do objectively with data, because in a previous video, I did this with my P30L and had much faster draws to first shot with a red dot, even though my story internally is that I see red dots just a little bit slower on the draw. So this is a fascinating journey. We're gonna keep going and do some more guns and post these over the next few days. I hope it encourages you to think through why you carry the specific handgun that you carry and what objective data you are using in order to back up that decision. Whatever you're doing today, get to work, get 1% better today, and I'll see you tomorrow.